Honorable Prime Minister is coming to Jeddah for 2 days visit. On previous two occasions when he visited Saudi Arabia, he came to Riyadh, and this would be his first visit to Jeddah. And Jeddah has a very special significance in terms of connectivity between India and Saudi Arabia, because Jeddah port for centuries has been the preferred port for trade connections between India and Saudi Arabia, and not only to Saudi Arabia but even beyond Saudi Arabia. So basically the traders used to come to Jeddah port and then take their goods overland to other countries in the region. So it has a very huge significance in terms of connectivity. The visit itself is very significant. As you know, last time Honorable Prime Minister hosted His Royal Highness Crown Prince in India on a state visit on the sidelines of the G20. And both the leaders are going to hold the meeting of the Strategic Partnership Council. And Strategic Partnership Council is a very unique and a strong framework under which we have a number of subcommittees and working groups which covers a very wide array of topics in the bilateral relations. So all these things will be reviewed during the talks. Well, as I said, when both the leaders meet, they discuss all the components of the bilateral relationship. Economic partnership is one of the fulcrums of our relationship, so I'm sure that would form part of the discussions. Our defense partnership has been growing in last few years, so this would also be part of the discussions. And there are many other components where we are working together. A number of MOUs are going to be signed, and they will be from a number of different fields, but we are really looking to step up our engagement in the areas of defense and cultural cooperation and cooperation on health, maybe space sector, investments, trade. So a number of issues are part of the agenda. Whenever the leaders meet, they always discuss the issues of the regional and international significance. So I'm sure a number of issues will be discussed in this context. Well, one of the strongest components of our relationship is being the Indian community, and we have a very strong Indian community here. Currently, there are 2.7 million Indian workers and diaspora living in Saudi Arabia, and the number has been increasing steadily. In fact, in last 2 years, 300,000 new people have been added to the Indian diaspora. So in 2023, our numbers were 2.4 million. Now we are at 2.7 million, and this diaspora it enjoys immense respect and goodwill in Saudi Arabia. They have participated over decades for the development of Saudi Arabia, and this is something which is very much recognized and appreciated. And the community also acts as a living bridge between India and Saudi Arabia. So that is one of the strongest pillars of our relationship. Of course, the vision of our leadership from both the countries is the main driving force for our relationship. And if you have noticed in last 10 years, the huge significant progress has been made in the bilateral relations. As you know, this is the third visit of Honorable Prime Minister to Saudi Arabia. His Royal Highness Crown Prince has also been to India 2 times in 2019 and 2023, and there have been a lot of political engagement, lot of engagement on the economic side, on the defense side, on the cultural side, and this is all possible due to the vision of the leadership. So I think that is another very, very strong component of our bilateral relations. I have seen Honorable Prime Minister is always meeting and interacting with the Indian community, and Honorable Prime Minister will be visiting one of the factories here where he will meet the Indian workers, and we pay a lot of emphasis on the welfare of our workers. At the same time, we work with the Indian diaspora to promote our culture, to promote the connections between India and Saudi Arabia. So the community, as I said, it is in any case a very strong component of our bilateral relationship. And Honorable Prime Minister decided to go to this factory and to meet workers, and I can tell you they are all very excited to receive Honorable Prime Minister, to meet him, to listen to him, to interact with him. So this is very hugely significant gesture from Honorable Prime Minister to go to a factory and meet our workers. Well, our community also has been contributing to the economy of India. You know, the remittances from Saudi Arabia to India are very significant. So, and our community is very well connected with India. So they contribute to the development of both Saudi Arabia and India. And definitely, you know, the community, diaspora community plays a very important role in Viksit Bharat 2047 mission. At the same time, we see there are a lot of similarities and lot of synergies between the Saudi Vision 2030 and our vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. So we can work together and we can see you know, how we can you know, benefit from each other's you know, expertise, benefit from each other's resources. So there is a lot of synergy between the two visions that we are working on.